I think one was turning and the other one was just going through a red light, and the Tahoe ended up hitting that car and the bumpers off, and
Okay. Okay.
Are you eating chicken? Are you eating chicken, Luna? Yes. I'm recording her eating chicken. Yum, salmonella. What are you doing?
waiting for your cat to take a shit.
Jeez.
I just
Luna.
cleaned the litter box. Go! I just cleaned the litter box.
Is that what that bag is?
Yeah. And then he fucking waits. And he's like, oh wait, one more. Oh, I pee, but still, like, what the? Do you need to take a shit, dickhead? He's running off with tampons and shit.
Oh, I don't even... What happened? I don't know the whole story.
I grabbed a tampon, and I went to the bathroom, and I had the door open, and I put the tampon on the ground for a second while I was peeing, and your fucking cat runs full force and just swipes the tampon and runs away. While I'm, like, mid-peeing. And I was stuck. Rick! Go away, leave him alone. No. What are you... Listen. I'm just telling you that when you have your hand in between your legs...
He's just sitting comfortable.
But he's, like, full-on dick and balls out.
No.
Look at him. Move.
You deserve that.
Ow! They got caught. That's it. You're getting your nails cut right now. Fuck.
Yeah, he fucked up the chair too.
Where are the nail cutters? And Luna's throwing up, and Falcor's taking a shit after I clean litter box, and she's making a mess with food. Riddick!
Luna, let me see those teeth. Wait, stay. Show teeth. Silly girl. You want me to pet your belly? Is that what it is? You big baby. Can you say hi to the camera? No. You don't want me to stop petting you?
Let me start off by saying first that this is not a vibrator.
Oh, this is gonna end bad.
I'm just gonna fucking projectile vomit again. That's the I gotta poop. Luna! Luna! Yep, there goes her asshole.